Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 60 seconds or less. Today we'll be covering 2 quick tips for testing your website in Google's Chrome. Here you see our website, and oftentimes we're making edits to a website and we don't see those edits live. So once you've published edits, what you want to do is right-click on your website, click Inspect, go to the Reload bar and hold it down and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This will make sure that you're getting a fully uncached version of your site. The second tip is for you to be able to see what your website looks like on mobile. So staying in Inspect, over to the right, there's a little toggle device toolbar. Click on that, and there you are. You can now see with a mobile generator what your website's going to look like and act like on mobile. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.